नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल Samskara by निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। आज की वीडियो एक ऐसा फ्लो है जो हर कोई कर सकता है। यस, इफ यू आर अ बिगनर देन यू कैन डू दिस 10 मिनट्स फ्लो। और अगर आपके पास बहुत कम टाइम है तो भी यह फ्लो आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल होने वाला है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स डाइव इन। So we'll start by sitting in any comfortable position, palm on the knees, shoulders roll back, spine straight. We'll take few deep breath in and out. Close your eyes. Try to keep your inhalations and exhalations equal. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. From here we are going to raise the palm up, inhale, look up, exhale, look down while getting the hands down. Let's go 4 more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now interlock your fingers and get the palm facing towards the ceiling and give a good stretch. Don't hold your breath. We are going to hold this posture for 5 breaths. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now keeping this, you're going to just exhale and lean towards your right side, keeping your elbows straight. Stay here. Make sure both the elbows are locked. You're not leaning towards the front or the back. Stay here for 3 more breaths. 1, 2 and 3. Inhale, come up. Exhale towards the other side. Make sure you're not leaning towards the front or the back. 1, 2, keep pressing the palm out, 4 and 5. Inhale, get the palms down. Now from here, make a cupcake with the right hand, raise the left, take a deep breath in and then exhale. Now make sure your elbows are not bent and you're not lifting the sit bones. Keep pressing the sit bones on the mat. Stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Make a cupcake with the left. Lean towards the left. Let's go. Stay here. 1, elbows not bent. Sit bones on the mat. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Now from here, we are going to inhale, raise both the arms up and exhale, lean forward. Keep pushing the sit bones on the mat. Press it down, hold here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up, lean back. You're going to switch the legs. The leg that is ahead, it's going to go back. And now again we are going to inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, go back, try to touch the head to the floor and stay. Keep pushing the sit bones on the mat. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, slowly, slowly and come back. Now from here you'll come on the tabletop position where your knees and your hip, the wrist and the shoulders are in one line. Now from here, toes flat down, you're going to inhale, pushing the spine down, look up, making an arch. Exhale, tucking the tailbone and hunching the spine, look down. Inhale, exhale. When you hunch, make sure you tuck the tailbone in and then hunch. Pushing the shoulder blades towards the ceiling and then arch. Let's go one more time. And then coming to the neutral spine. Now from here, you are just going to get the toes in, and from here we are going to get into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now keep pushing your chest towards the thighs. Now if you have a stiff hamstring, you can keep a slight bend. Now stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, pressing all the entire palm on the mat. 4 and 5. Now from here you're going to just get the alternate heel on the floor. Let's go. 1, 2, stretching the calf and the hamstring. 3, 4 and 5. Now from here you're going to get the left foot outside the left palm and right outside the right in a 45-degree angle and sitting into Malasana. Keep your spine straight. Now make a namaste in front of the chest. Stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here we are going to place the right palm behind, making a cupcake, extending the left arm. Now from here exhale, internal rotation. We are going to grab the left leg, and from here we are going to grab the right arm behind. So the left hand will grab the right. Now from here look towards the right shoulder. Stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly release. Now get the left palm down, making a cupcake, extending the right hand, grab internal rotation, grab the left hand with the right hand. Now look towards the left shoulder. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now placing both the palms down, we are going to extend the legs, get the feet in for a deeper stretch. If you're not able to touch, you can just come on the fingertips or slightly bend the knee, then slowly come. We are going to stand at the front of the mat. From here we are going to exhale, place the palm in line with the toes. We are going to get the right foot back, left foot back, and we'll get into Chaturanga. If this is new for you, you can just get the knee down and get into Chaturanga. From here, we will inhale, scoop up for Bhujanga Asana. Keep a slight bend, use your back muscles. Now, stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Tuck the toe in. From here, we'll get into a long downward dog. Stay here. Now we'll do Veerbhadrasana 1 variation. We'll just get from here we'll get the right foot in between the palm, left foot 45 degrees. Look towards the ceiling. Join your palms. Go down. We'll stay here for 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly place both the palms. Get the right foot back. Get the left foot in, right foot 45 degree. Inhale, come up, stay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly place both the palms. Get the left foot back. From here, knee down, toes together, knees apart into child pose. Take few deep breaths and then we'll come on the back. Lie down on your back. Now from here, bend the left leg, place the right foot over the left knee. Now get one hand from inside, one hand from outside, grabbing the left shin and get it closer to the chest. Hold here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly place it down. Now switch your legs. Hold for 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly place the right foot. Now from here, get the hands by the side, bend the knee, get it closer to the chest. Now drop the legs towards the left, look towards the right. Stay here for 5. 1. Keep pulling the knee closer to the chest. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Now exhale, opposite side. Keep pulling the knee closer to the chest. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, then slowly straighten both the legs. Palm facing the ceiling. Close your eyes. Take deep breath in and relax in Savasana. Once you're done, you're just slowly going to bend the knee. Get the body towards the right. And slowly you'll sit in a comfortable position.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल रही हो और आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही कुछ एडवांस्ड आसनास जिनको ब्रेक डाउन करती हूँ ईजी तरीके से, कुछ ऐसे कॉमन डिजीज़ेस जिसके सोल्यूशन योगा और आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है, कुछ बहुत सिंपल ईजी टू डू फ्लोज डालती हूँ. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. और हाँ, अगर आप एक न्यू योगा टीचर हैं देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो आरोग्यम योगा एंड वेलनेस बाय सप्तशिका. वो अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही बहुत ही करियर इन योगा रिलेटेड वीडियोस डालती है जो बहुत यूज़फुल है फॉर द न्यू योगा टीचर्स. और हाँ, अगर आप एक योगा टीचर बनना चाहते हैं और एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स ढूंढ रहे हैं जो इंडियन योगा एसोसिएशन से एफिलिएटेड है देन प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर फॉर मोर डिटेल्स. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.